The ability to hear or process auditory stimuli is called audition. The stimulus for audition are sound waves, and the amplitude of these waves determine how loud it is, and the frequency of these waves determine the pitch. The complexity of the wave determines the timbre or quality of the wave, or basically how well it sounds. For example, pitch is the difference between a C and a D in music, but if a sound has good timbre, then you can tell it's maybe a guitar versus a synth. Moving on to the anatomy of the ear, the very outside of the ear, which you can see, is the pinna, and it's shaped so that it directs sound waves into the auditory canal. As the waves travel through the auditory canal, they hit the tympanic membrane, aka the eardrum, and the sound waves cause it to vibrate against these three bones called the ossicles. These are known as the malleus, incus, and stapes, or more commonly called the hammer, anvil, and stirrup. The ossicles amplify sound waves before going into the cochlea, and the cochlea is filled with fluid, which has hair cells in it, and the sound waves will vibrate against the hair cells. And this is where vibrations are turned into electrical signals, and after that they go to the cochlear nerve, the thalamus, and the primary auditory cortex. It may appear that we hear sound at the same time in both ears, but this isn't true. We're able to detect where sound is coming from because there is an imperceptible difference in when sound hits one ear versus the other. The ear also controls our balance through the vestibular system, which has three semicircular canals with fluid which respond to movements of the head. We can experience vertigo when our vestibular system is malfunctioning or the inner ear is inflamed. We often experience it when the vestibular system detects movement, but our eyes don't see any movement. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, I have more videos on psychology that you can look up. I'll be posting more and you can make suggestions on what I should talk about next.